Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel Padhai with Guru Chela. Dear students, in today's video we are going to dive deep into the syllabus of your discipline specific core course 14 Modern Indian Political Thought. Dear students, in modern Indian political thought there are several key ideas that have shaped the discourses like nationalism, social justice, secularism, democracy, and many more. Dear students, in this video, we are going to learn objectives, outcomes of this paper. Then after, we will explore the syllabus, themes, and topics of this paper. And in the last, we will discuss some recommendations that covers the topics related to modern Indian political thought. Dear students, this video is important and compulsory for all the students of semester 5th as per UGCF NEP based curriculum in University of Delhi, SOL and NCWeb. So dear students, let's begin. Alright dear students, let's take a look at the syllabus of your discipline specific core course 14 Modern Indian Political Thought. Dear students, let's talk about the learning objectives of this paper. So dear students, the main goal of this course is to explore important themes in Indian political thought by studying the ideas of individual thinkers. The course aims to provide students with a diverse and comprehensive understanding of the richness and variety within the realm of Indian political thought. The selection of thinkers represents a wide range of ideologies and perspectives within the modern Indian thought tradition. To enhance learning, the course includes extracts from the original text of these thinkers, which will be discussed in class. This approach allows students to gain first-hand experience in understanding how these thinkers construct their arguments and develop their views on different themes. It's an exciting opportunity to delve into the fascinating world of Indian political thought. Now dear students, if we see learning outcomes of this paper, so dear students, by the end of this course, there are several learning outcomes. First, they will develop a critical understanding of modern Indian thought, gaining insights into its key ideas and thinkers. Second, students will be able to explore thematic ideas and trace the historical trajectory of important subjects, engaging in topical debates. Third, they will reflect on the diverse possibilities showcased in the writings of the respective thinkers, broadening their perspectives and so on. So now dear students, let's break down each unit for the better understanding. In unit 1, which spans 7 hours, you will delve into understanding modern Indian political thought. This unit sets the foundation for the course. The next, unit 2nd, taking 8 hours, explores the concepts of nation and nationalism through the perspectives of influential thinkers such as Swami Vivekananda, Rabindranath Tagore and Gandhi. The next unit, unit 3rd, also 7 hours long, delves into the relationship between the state and democracy. You will study the ideas of Jawaharlal Nehru, Deen Dayal Upadhyay, Ram Manohar Lohia and Bhim Rao Ramji Ambedkar in this unit. Dear students, then moving on the next unit, unit 4, spanning 7 hours, focuses on the topic of rights. You will examine the thoughts of Ram Mohan Roy and Tarabai Shinde, shedding lights on the significance of rights in Indian political thought. In the next unit, unit 5, taking 8 hours, explores the concept of Swaraj or self-rule, the teaching of Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi will be studied in this unit. Lastly, in unit 6, which spans 8 hours, delves into the ideologies of Hindutva and Hinduism with a particular focus on the ideas of Veer Savarkar. So dear students, the course is divided into 6 different units, each focusing on different aspects of modern Indian political thought. And yes, this syllabus covers a wide range of themes and thinkers, providing a comprehensive understanding of modern Indian political thought. Literally, it's an exciting journey of exploration and learning. Now, dear students, let's focus on some essential and recommended readings based on UGCF NEP based curriculum. Dear students, here are some book recommendations for modern Indian political thought. First one is Modern Indian Political Thought by Vidyut Chakrabarti. Next, Indian Political Thought Themes and Thinkers by V.R. Mehta. Then next in this series, The Oxford Companion to Politics in India, edited by N.G. Jayal and Pratap Bhanu Mehta. Then next, Foundations of Indian Political Thought and Interpretation by V.R. Mehta, Indian Political Thought by O.P. Gaba, and so on. So dear students, these are some essential and recommended readings on this paper. These books provide a comprehensive overview of the development and key thinkers in modern Indian political thought. So dear all, that's it for today. I hope you found this video informative and engaging. If you have any doubt or concern about the syllabus or subject, then drop them in the comments below and I will do my best to address them. Dear students, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment below with your thoughts and suggestions. In addition, dear students, make sure to join our Telegram channel. Just click the link in the video description and join our channel and become a part of our community right now. So dear students, see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.